It's the aces, and I'm gonna use the cards about this much. Now for the aces, we have the red aces and the black aces. We don't need the rest of the deck. Now, among those aces, this is the leader one, and others, they're just the followers. Now I'm gonna place the cards on the aces. Again, same thing, gonna place the cards over here. And lastly, same thing. And they're set ready to go. Now, we're gonna start with this, the first one. Watch the shadows. That was the first one. Now for the second one, well, let's take a look. This is the ace of hearts. Now, sir, would you please make your hand like this? Now they're gonna make their hands like this. Would you grab the ace? Thank you. Now I'm gonna do it like this and this. Would you please turn it over? Now you can see, following the ace of spade, the ace of diamonds and the ace of hearts are over here. Now for the last one, I'm gonna use only the aces. I'm gonna make it harder. I'm gonna put it in the box. Now for the last ace, the ace of club, you either gonna join to the little packets. We're ready to see it? Alright. I'm gonna close the box and place it over here. Watch what happened. Ace of spade, ace of diamonds, ace of hearts, the ace of clubs.